newly installed passenger elevator at 4805 Penn Avenue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Headrick with Innovation Universal. First I'm seeing Headrick use Innovation. Normally they use PTL. I think it's just entered service. Go for 3. Here you go. It's hydraulic. I think everything except one opens on the rear door. Go back down to 1. That chime is loud. It's a basic figure grain cab. It's built inside of a construction site. I don't even know who occupies it. I think there's some tenants there. Yeah, last time I was here, there's still being sold. That's his elevator too, because there's also a freight elevator. It's a Haughton with black square CJA Anderson. Back at 1. I was not expecting this to have innovation. Because again, Headrick normally uses PTL, not innovation. Fingerprints. The last time I was here was just a shaft. There was like nothing else. Because that's going to be it.